Try not posting that, Shruti. I mean, I don't believe me either, but. Oh my god, please don't say that. Let's not put this on the. Oh my god, don't tell me.
And this girl was like, she thought you and I.
Hi guys, this is Boss Lady Shruti, and today we are trying to use technology as much as we can to make this video possible. We also have a really special guest joining us. Ta-da-da. Hi,
What's up?
Siddharth.
Hi, Shruti. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Oh my god. Can I? Oh, I need to dim the brightness of my screen right now. Oh my god. Who is this handsome hunk?
Well, this hottie's friend, this hottie Shruti Iyer's friend. Who else could I be? What's happening, Shruti? Hi, I'm Siddharth. As she'll probably give you a longer, elaborated introduction, hopefully.
Okay, so Siddharth is my bestest friend. I think we know each other for almost 9 years now. Oh my god. That's a long time. And I guess like we've literally seen each other grow up into the people that we are today, right?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
And we've seen each other through some really questionable times.
I mean, really questionable. Yeah, for sure. There's no doubt about that aspect, for sure.
A lot of you guys, asked me about him on my Instagram, so I thought it would be cool to have him on my channel. Today, what we're going to do is I have this handsome hunk with me, and we are going to be playing the game of who's more likely to. So the way this is going to work is that we are going to ask one question one by one, and we'll say 1, 2, 3, and whoever we think is more likely to, we are going to raise this placard and kind of give our opinion on who we think is more likely to do that particular thing.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Brace yourselves.
Let's do it.
Let's go. So let's start this off with a banger.
All right. Oh my god.
Who's more likely to not remember the person's name that they're having sex with? 1, 2, 3. That is such bullshit, and that is such bullcrap, Siddharth, and you know it. I think literally
No, I just.
like every girl in Bombay knows Siddharth Sabhiki.
Oh my god, please don't say that.
And when I say knows Siddharth Sabhiki, knows him in complete and utter full detail.
No, I'll.
And
The
there's
reason-
just so much of influx happening in Siddharth's life that he can't keep up. I think I've been in like really serious relationships, and I have always remembered.
No.
The
Can I
people that I've
say?
been
Can I
with?
say in my defense? I've never bothered asking the name too much. So there is no forgetting the name. There's just not knowing the name. You know what I mean? So remembering the name or forgetting the name is a secondary situation. But I try not to ask any names because I wouldn't remember anyway. So that's one of the reasons I think. So it means.
Siddharth, that's even worse.
Yeah, that's kind of worse. It's kind of a little bad. Yeah.
Now your question.
Yeah. Who's more likely to hook up with someone in a party?
1, 2, 3.
You, obviously.
That is, dude, Siddharth, do you want me to say?
No, do you want me to
Remember
say?
us-
No. Can I remind you of this one? You know why that question came up? Because I remember this one episode where I'm not going to name the girl. We both know her. The girl.
No, dude, remember Juhu, a certain someone's birthday party?
Yeah.
And
I
you
know.
were
I know
there,
what you.
I was there with my, cousin and a bunch of other people, and you literally went into the bathroom.
Oh my God, don't tell-
And
don't-
this
don't say
girl
that,
was
don't-
like,
don't say
she
that, don't-
thought you and I were dating, and she said, no, Shruti is there outside, she's going to kill me. Siddharth,
Yeah. This someone's house that we'd gone to, and she was pissed off that. You remember that episode?
oh yeah.
Yeah.
No, but I was not interested in him. Like, he tried to come on to me, but I...
Yeah, I mean, I don't remember that story actually too very clearly. I mean, you could be right also because it's been so many years. It's been a good 8 years or something. Yeah, it's been a good 8 years. Fuck, man. Really long time it's been, Shruti. That's a fucking long time, man.
Yeah, so definitely the person hooking up in a party is Lord Siddharth Sabhiki.
Yeah, I'll who's more likely to get embarrassed in public?
Who's more like?
Very
Who's
easily.
more? Okay. 1, 2, 3. So I am like, I don't give a damn. You can come at me, you can tell me whatever. It won't really bother me. I can even go in like looking like a complete chapri and I'm like, I'm cool.
Yeah, there are so many times
But-
I know when you would go to the gym and I would be all dressed up wearing my gym clothes and watch and cap and like everything, the full like gear to go and work out, take a shower before I go to the gym. And Shruti
Yeah,
would...
like I would never understand. This guy would actually wake up at 5 in the morning, take a shower before he comes to the gym because he has to look hot for all the, hot girls.
No, I just
and
want to look
ladies
hot in
who
general.
come to
Like
the gym.
I just want to look good. I want to be fresh before I start my workout because I can't like work out looking like anyway, looking like Shruti, let's just say. Yeah, she would be like a person that you can't recognize from what it would look like. That girl is Shruti's domestic help who goes to the gym and works out for Shruti because when Shruti is out like that, she wouldn't give a rat's ass about putting on like any kind of makeup, wearing any like whatever fancy clothes. She'll just wear whatever and she will be in the gym and doing her like thing, which is actually great, Shruti. I mean, I think it says a lot about your confidence, which is a good thing, I feel.
Like I low-key judge the girls who come in like full makeup, and there have been a couple of times, for example, if I've just finished a meeting or I used to finish like for the day, and if like the gym class is just about to get over, then I would just rush to the gym and I will still have makeup on my face, and I know that I would like instantly I would have so much of grumpiness on my face because I would be so irritated because I know I'm sweating and I just want to take that towel and just go and I can't, and I have to go. I hate, like, I can't do that. Like, I really don't know how women wear makeup and go to the gym.
Yeah.
If you want to check out my gym makeup look, I will link it down below. You can have a look.
You have a video like that?
I've literally had guys see me in the gym, and then the same night, and I think you were there at this time. So I met this guy at the gym, and this was at the legs section, obviously, because that's my favorite place to be. And I remember he's like, can we alternate? And I was like, yeah, okay. And I always have a grumpy face in the gym, so I'm not the best person to like talk to in the gym.
She's not.
And he's like, oh, okay. And I actually increased the weights after he was done. So he was like,
I mean, that's
I
very
need to
like,
get
yeah,
out of here.
that's,
So I guess he was a little intimidated or embarrassed. Same night, you, our other friend Anuj, and I went to the opening of a nightclub or something like that, and he literally saw me and he's like, shit, you're the girl from the morning in the gym. I was like, oh, hi, what's up? And there I was like really chill. I was like dressed up in my shorty shorts and I was just like killing it. He's like, damn.
yeah, Shruti's like,
He's like, tu completely different aurat hai.
completely different person, like as she is, and how she looks. Both her whole transformation happens like 360 degree, where it comes to when she's in the gym and when she's outside, just like partying and chilling, her doing her thing. But I'm kind of the same both
Yeah,
places. I feel like, yeah, I'm a little more same.
You are the same. In fact, you are grumpier when you're outside. You're very happy in the gym.
Yeah, I'm very happy in the gym. I'm in a good mood. I'll talk to everybody. I'll be like, that's my like happy place. But outside,
That
I'm a
is
little
your
like,
party. That is your club. That is your disco.
yeah, that's my club. Outside, I'm a little like, okay, let's not even talk to each other. Like, it's not what I've come here for, you know.
I think the most connections that Siddharth has ever made is in the gym. Like,
Yeah,
he's picked up
yeah.
the most amount of chicks. He has made the most connections in Bombay, and just like
For sure.
he's the quintessential gym boy.
For sure. Like, I mean, when I moved to Bombay, I didn't know one soul, and I probably know most of the people through the gym, through all the gyms that I've been in, which are like every gym in Bombay. I think I've been in once at least.
Yeah.
Yeah, once for sure. I mean, I'm like the king of trials now.
Yeah, that's why they stopped giving you any trials anymore.
Yeah, everyone stopped giving me trials. Like, they know this guy is just come for trials. I'm literally taking a trial everywhere.
Okay, so I want to know who's more likely to run for president and actually win it.
Oh, wow, that's a good one. Yeah.
For sure. Like, for sure. Siddharth is... I'm telling you, if he becomes a political leader, literally everyone's lives is going to be a big party.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'll probably keep the nightclubs open 24/7. Yeah, this India will probably be like Berlin or something, where like, you know, or Ibiza or something, you can party all day long. That will be my first like rule in office when I like walk in. That's for sure. Yeah, but I could win it.
Yeah, and you will decrease the drinking age to like 12.
No, not that. I wouldn't do that. But yeah, let's do a 13. Definitely make smoking up legal, which I am not for. I don't smoke up, but I would make it for people who like to smoke up, for sure. Yeah.
Yeah, because you know, vote bank.
Vote bank, yeah, just for the vote bank. And I know I probably would get it also. I think I probably would win, you know, most likely. Should I ask you a question?
Okay, who's more likely to make out on their terrace and be caught and get caught?
I hate you right now.
Let's-
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so this was when I was
12-year-old.
probably in college or something like that. I met this guy. I thought he was super cute, and he had a bike at that time, and I basically fell off the bike, kissed him in the terrace, and got caught literally on the same day.
By your mom or your aunt?
So that day
By your mom or aunt, someone caught you, right? I think your aunt complained or something like that.
Yeah. And I don't know, it was so crazy. This was the first time I sat on a bike behind a boy, and I was like, oh my god, now I understand what these Bollywood references are all about. This is so much fun and this is such a thrill. And that same day, I remember like the side of my leg got like a little burnt next to that whatever exhaust or something that is there in near the bike. So I got burnt, I got caught, but I also got kissed, so.
Oh, whoa, look at that. Closing, it's incredible. Shruti also got kissed.
See, at that time, I was so ugly looking that if a boy wanted to kiss me, I was just like,
I mean, ugly, you know. Ugly is an exaggeration of a word, but I'm sure you're not what you are right now. Like, you're a hottie now.
darling, you did not see me back then, so it's okay.
I mean, if you were that ugly, I bet I'm glad I didn't see you then. Like, come on. We wouldn't have been friends.
Imagine I would go to college every day like the way I used to come to the gym.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Hottie.
Yeah. I was honestly like shocked to know that this guy was actually wanting to make me sit behind his bike, because I was like, yeah, ऐसे तो सब मेरी टाइप की लड़कियों के साथ ऐसा सब नहीं होता.
How horny was he?
Exactly, right? I mean, but
Considering
when
you're
you're
describing
like
your-
16, 17, I think. Yeah, no, 17, 18.
Okay, you were 18. Alright, yeah. Let's just say you were 18 at least. Yeah.
Yeah, I was legal, guys. Don't worry. I didn't do anything illegal.
Oh my god, how nice.
Who's more likely to get arrested?
I mean,
1, 2, 3. You better not take my name.
Shruti, are you serious? It has to be you. You are the aggressive one. I am too calm to be arrested. I'm just too like mellow that way. Yeah, I'm like too like fun-loving, chill to be arrested. Like for sure. You're the one for sure. There's no doubt about it.
No way. Yes, I am a little like,
Little.
talkative or like loud.
Little
but
nahi.
you are definitely the one to like do more illegal shit.
But I wouldn't get arrested. Like nobody will bug the thing to arrest me. You know, to arrest me. I don't think I'll get arrested. For sure. I'll
तू जानता नहीं मेरा बाप कौन है, like typical Delhi mentality.
definitely get out of it somehow. Like I will definitely get out of it somehow. Like I've sort of touched wood. I've always gotten out of any of these messy situations somehow. I mean, maybe I would just like to say I'm lucky or whatever, but I've gotten out of it. So I don't think
Yeah,
you're
so
as
then my
bad.
question should have been like, who's more likely to get arrested and like flirt their way out of it?
Yeah, you wouldn't be able to do that. You will probably fight more and you
I'll
will
just
get
be
more
like-
into trouble. Like if you would
No,
get
I'll either
arrested and they
fight
would
more
let
or
you
I'll
go in
start
15
crying.
minutes and you would fight so much that they would not let you go for like another 5 hours. So you're one of those people who will make the situation worse when you're arrested. But I would probably like get my way out of it somehow. So yeah, that would have been a better question. Yeah, I'm gonna ask you this, okay? Who's more likely to be on dating apps?
For sure. Siddharth, you have definitely been on like so many
I
dating apps.
have
It's
been
not
on
even
it, but
funny.
I've been on it, but I have not surprisingly been as successful on it. And secondly,
No, see, the question was who's more likely to be on dating apps.
no, but you've been more on dating apps than I've been. What are you talking about? Of course you've been. Shruti, I've literally
only
been
time
hardly
that-
for a day, and I would go off it. Like I'm just
I think the most time that I've ever been on a dating app is like 15 days.
yeah. So for me, it's been a day.
Rubbish.
No, literally.
झूठ बोलने की भी औकात होती है, okay?
No, but I am not a dating app person in general. Like I don't think I have that like sort of like.
But you don't need it also. Your
Yeah.
Instagram is a freaking Tinder.
Yeah, I mean that's why I'm saying it's not. I don't need it. So you need it more than I do, for sure.
एक गलती से लाइक चला गया किसी लड़की को और हो गया काम.
Shut the fuck up, man. I like all the time. Every picture I like. The ones, the pictures I keep sending you, I like all too.
Oh my god, guys, I'm literally telling you, if I ever showed you a screenshot of the conversation him and I have on Instagram,
It's
like
beyond.
anybody out there will be like, you guys are so inappropriate, like
Very
so
inappropriate.
supremely inappropriate.
Yeah, completely inappropriate. For sure. We have like the
Yeah,
worst.
and you know that, but I feel like that's our sense of humor and our way of bonding as well. Like he will send me pictures of all these like girls with their tits and ass out, and he'll just be like, Shruti, you should do this right now. Do this and go viral today.
Whoa,
You
one
should just
second.
do this. Come on, you can do it. This is so classy. You are going to be the next Kim K. Just do it, just do it. And I'm like, oh my god. And savere, you know, like I must have just woken up or anything like that. And the first thing I see is that, and I'm just like, oh my god, Sid.
Okay, let's ask your viewers. Well, let's just ask. Comment down below. Wouldn't you want Shruti to like post all these sexy hot pictures? Like just like whoever's on my side, please comment down below and just let us know if you want her to post those pictures or not. I think you totally kill it. I mean, you have the body for it, you have the look for it. I think there is nobody better than you. There's no doubt about it.
इतनी compliment मत बताओ सिद्धार्थ, please. मैं सह नहीं पाऊंगी.
Imagine your parents seeing it. They would shoot me and you both for me to suggest you to do it and for you to do it. Especially after the pictures I send you.
Wow, I don't think I've ever been given such a backhanded compliment. Thank you so much.
So who's more likely to get into a physical fight? For sure, it's you.
I mean, I'm not saying that I'm proud of it, but
I literally call Shruti the Sunny Deol from the movie Gadar, because like Sunny Deol fought the entire Pakistan and gets Amisha Patel back to India. So Shruti is that girl. I still remember Shruti that day when we were shifting and these guys had said, "Oh, hum aapko shift nahi karne denge," whatever, like, you know, because they wanted money unethically. They were trying to like get some money out of you, and the way you fought. Those two boys, grown-up boys, were literally crying and begging me to ask you to like calm down, and they're like, "Please, madam, ko chup karaiye, madam, please." And he was so scared of you.
no, like, okay, context. This was when I was in Mumbai and I had to move houses, and I had actually called this mover guy in the morning at 11 o'clock. Very conveniently, he comes at some 3 o'clock. And he doesn't even come himself. He sends like two of these really like 20-year-old boys who have not had lunch that day to come and like help with the moving, which I have a lot of stuff. I have like heavy furniture and everything. So I'm expecting like, you know, people to at least be, you know, physically able to do that job. They were not experienced in any shape, form or size, and he even like I could just see that he was like, this was just not working out. So I told him the moving can be done only up till 5:30, and after that the building won't allow us to get the things up. And of course he came at 3 o'clock, so we couldn't finish all the moving on that day. So he's like, no, pay me for today, otherwise I'm not going to go. Started off with him saying, pay me for today. I said, first of all, you came late, you did not finish the job, and you're clearly inexperienced. The person that I gave the job to is not you. So if you want the money today, go ask the person that I gave the job to, because I'm not paying you nothing. And secondly, you came late, you did not even do the job properly. I'm still telling you, come tomorrow, finish the job, and you'll get paid for today and tomorrow. No, give me the money right now. I'm not coming tomorrow. I said, you're not getting the money today. He's like, how dare you not pay me today? I'm going to get my kinetic and I'm going to stand over here, and till the time you don't pay me, I'm going to see how you shift. I was like, excuse me?
There were moments I was like, should I sneakily record it? Like, can I do it? But I was so scared to do it also because I was like, if she sees me recording, I'm gonna like, she's gonna kill me.
Yeah, I would have smashed your phone right there.
I was dying to like slowly beach me out, freaking out. Like, I was like, can I record it? Oh my god, I wanna just keep this in memory because it was a sight you guys should have seen. I wish you recorded it and you posted it on your channel. It would have something that probably like broken the internet or something like that.
Yeah, I feel like in the past 5 years that even that I was with somebody, I like, at least when I was Bombay, I literally wore the pants and I would like get everything done.
Oh yeah, for sure. But you were always wearing the pants in any sort of relationship apart from your and my friendship, because I'm always wearing the pants. But whatever, yeah.
Siddharth, I think you're the one not wearing the pants, if you know what I mean.
Oh, matlab, okay. You shouldn't say that. You shouldn't say that in our equation, obviously. Yeah, in our equation, I'm wearing the pants. Yeah. Anyway.
Okay, I have a question.
Yeah.
Who's more likely to pay for sex?
Oh.
You dare not. I'm telling you. 1, 2, 3.
But it's not me. I would never pay for sex. I would get paid for sex if I need to make money, but I would never pay for sex. I mean, come on, yeah. Why would I pay for sex? I mean, that's not like
Yeah, you
either one
would
of
get
us.
paid for sex. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, either one of us would get paid for sex. We won't pay for it, for sure. Yeah, not that we would take money for sex, but like if we need to, we'll be on the prostitute side of it, but not like the client side, for sure.
How he's made it, no, I'm on the agency side of it, not on the client side of it. I don't think I'm happy with either situation.
Yeah, but what would you rather be?
If I had to choose, I honestly would maybe be the client. It might also be coming from my recent life experience, because I'm just like, I don't want anybody, like I would not want to put myself in a situation wherein I feel owned by anyone else. So that is the reason why maybe I would not be happy being paid for sex. But it will give me a very big high to know that I can, or I have the ability to like cater that need of mine.
I honestly think it's a very different way of thinking. I have never ever had I've never thought about it like that. I always thought about, if I ever put a thought into it, I've always thought that because if I would be a hooker, I would have more power because I would be paid for it. So I'm I don't know. Yeah, actually, I see both the sides of the story in some way or the other. I see both the perspective, and very interesting that you have that. Because I've never really thought about it like that. Makes sense.
It's not like, either ways it is sad. Either whether you're getting paid for sex or whether you're paying for sex. But I feel like if I'm paying for sex, then I'm still coming from a place of power. Okay, the way I see it is, it's not that I'm not getting, but then I want something very specific. So, like I said, it's like a power play. So it's also it's like a perception, right? For you see the person who is on the client side as being pathetic, that they have to pay for this because they probably do not get this on free will. The way I see it is that probably the service giver is in such a desperate position that they have to do this to be able to, gain monetary benefit out of it. So I think it's a difference of perspective. So I just feel like if I have to either or, then I would rather be the client than be the server, to put it politely. All right, so I think that is it for today. This was so much fun, and I hope you guys had as much fun that I had, doing this video with him. It would have been a lot more fun if he was like sitting right here next to me. But I think even this was like pretty much fun, right?
Yeah.
Let me know in the comments down below what other videos like this you want me to shoot. I definitely these kind of videos are the most fun for me to watch. So I would love to film more of these. And subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And like I always say, Siddharth, say it with me.
Keep it bossy.
Keep it bossy.
Bye.